Hi everybody. Okay, so as we head into summer, of course, you think about cold drinks, refreshing drinks, and the first thing that comes to mind for me is that great root beer float that I used to have in the summer when I was a kid. Well, I have found a way to put a twist on the root beer float.
Floats with a summer flair, including Samoa's Ginger Root Beer Float. How to make that Samoa's Ginger Root Beer Float. Start off with scoops of Samoa's ice cream in a frosty glass. Next, add Zevia Ginger Root Beer. Once it's foamy on top, add mini marshmallows, then mini chocolate chips, and crushed honey graham crackers to top it off. My kids told me it's like a sweet camping trip in a cup.
All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, give us a like. Be sure to share this video with your friends. Tell us some things you want us to make in the future. We'll see you next time. Bye.